Imagine turning your small balcony or patio into a cozy retreat where you can sip coffee, read a book, or simply relax without spending a fortune. In this video, I'll show you simple and creative makeover ideas to transform any small balcony or patio into a stylish and functional outdoor space. Definition: a balcony or patio makeover means enhancing a small outdoor area with furniture, plants, and decor to make it more inviting, comfortable, and practical. Why important? Because even the tiniest outdoor spot can become an escape from daily stress. It boosts your mood, adds extra living space, and increases the value of your home. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start with the clean-up. Remove clutter and sweep the floor. 2. Add flooring solutions like outdoor rugs, deck tiles, or artificial grass for a fresh look. 3. Choose compact, foldable furniture that saves space and still offers comfort. 4. Bring life with plants. Use vertical planters, hanging parts, or railing planters to save floor space. 5. Add cozy touches with cushions, throws, and fairy lights. 6. Create a theme such as boho, modern, or minimalist to keep it visually cohesive. Tools explained. Basic tools include a broom, screwdriver for assembling furniture, and gardening tools like small spades or scissors. Workflow: first, clear the area, then set the flooring, arrange furniture, decorate with plants, and finally add lighting and accessories for the finishing touch. Quick tips: use foldable chairs and tables to maximize space. Opt for waterproof fabrics for durability. Mirrors can make the balcony look bigger. Solar lights save electricity and add ambience. Cost comparison: a basic makeover with rugs, cushions, and lights can cost very little. Adding compact furniture and planters may raise the budget, but still remains far cheaper than hiring a professional designer. With just a few changes, your small balcony or patio can feel like a private oasis. Try these makeover ideas and create a space you'll love spending time in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more simple DIY home transformations.